This is a quick and easy way to add multiple rows and columns in both Excel and Google Sheet. Let's start off with Excel here. Let's say at row number 5 you want to insert 6 rows. What you do is you highlight 6 rows like this, click and drag, or click on 5 and hold shift and click on 10 like this, and then right click here on this gray area and hit on insert. It will insert 6 rows for you like this. Let me undo this guy here. Let's say if you want to insert 2 columns between column A and B, what you do is you highlight 2 columns like this, right click like you did before and click on insert. It will insert 2 columns for you like this. Let me swing over to Google Sheet now. The technique is the same, but Google Sheet gives you a bit more option. Let me explain what I mean by that. Let's say like before, we're going to insert 6 rows at row number 5 here. You highlight 5 like this and hold shift and click on 10. You got 6 rows now. Right click here, you can see that Google Sheet gives you an option to either insert it above or below. If you click on below, it will insert it right at the bottom here. Let me undo this guy here. Now for the column, let's say if you want to insert a column, maybe 2 columns between column B and C, you highlight 2 columns like this, right click here, and then they give you an option to either insert it on the left or right. I'm going to select right here. You can see on the right, after the D column, you have 2 new columns like this.